Hi everyone, welcome to week 6, our second to last week of the class. I hope all of you either have done your observations or are in the process of doing your observations so you can get them in our final week, which will be next week, not next week, the week after, which will be our final week, which will be week 7. Just a reminder that if you have any work that you've missed, I accept late work up to 1 week after it's due. Unless you've made a prior arrangement with me. And I think, as all of you know, discussions cannot be made up. Please know that I don't accept any late work in week 7. So your observations are due. You have to have your presentation, your hot topic presentation, submitted in week 7. You can submit if you've already done your presentation or you're doing it in week 6. Make sure you submit in week 7 so I can give you a grade. So this week we're going to be learning a little bit more about charter and magnet schools and public and private preschools. Those are topics I think that come up an awful lot in communities, and I think it's really important for you to know a little bit more about that. This week, you are going to be writing for your assignment, in addition to continuing our hot topic presentations and our discussion. Your job is going to be to write a grant proposal. So I'm going to give you an opportunity for $1,000, and you're going to write a grant to support some kind of a project or program that's going to enhance the quality of early childhood education. So I want you to be really thoughtful and creative, and also have, excuse me, try to have a clear vision of what it is you want to accomplish with your grant. Excuse me, I have been like this since July when I had COVID, so I apologize. So you'll notice that there are bullet points for you to help you through the project, a description of your project, why you think there's a need for whatever it is you're proposing, a description of the project, a budget. So be clear, how much are you going to spend on materials, how much are you going to spend on staffing, how much you're going to spend on, I don't know, refreshments if you're having some sort of an event. But be as detailed as you can with that budget for $1,000. And then at the end, I'd like you to, as a conclusion, give a summary of the project and why it has that potential to make a positive impact. So it's sort of restating a lot of the things that you've stated in the grant application and pulling it all together. It should be 2 to 3 pages, double spaced, not including references, and make sure you include a cover page and the project title with your name. I'm looking forward to reading all of your grant proposals, and hopefully this will be a good project for someday when you write a real grant proposal. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Take care.